Good morning, class. Yesterday we have discussed about the rotational symmetry, okay? And today again we are going to discuss one more new topic of rotational symmetry, that is order of rotation. Okay, so that is one of the subtopic of rotational symmetry. Okay, so what here we are going to learn is, see, we already know about the rotational symmetry. That means let us consider a clock, okay? And if we are rotating the hands of a clock, okay? So the way in which the hands of a clock is rotated, look at the direction. So this is said to be as clockwise rotation. So this is the clockwise rotation. Now look at the tap, we are opening the tap. So we are rotating in the opposite direction of the clockwise, and this is said to be anti-clockwise rotation. Same with the wheels of the cycle. The boy is rotating the wheel of the cycle, and the direction in which it is rotating is the clockwise, and the direction in which the opposite wheel is rotating is anti-clockwise. Now can you see that both the wheels are rotated about a fixed point? So the fixed point about which a body is rotated, this fixed point is known as center of rotation. So every object rotates differently depending upon the point of rotation. So in this case we have a square. So this square is rotated about this fixed point at different angles. Okay. So this is 90-degree. Okay. Half turn. So we have the hands of a clock. So the look at the direction of the way in which the hand is rotating. So this is clockwise direction. Look at the figure. Okay, this is similar to that of J. This consists of 6 square blocks. Now if I rotate the figure about a fixed point, let us see whether it is symmetrical or not. Yes, at 180 degree it is symmetrical, and then the same figure will be again symmetrical if it is rotated by an angle of 360 degree. Since the figure doesn't have any line of symmetry, but it has a angle of rotation. Alright, so this is what we have discussed. Now we are going to start with a new topic, that is the order of rotation. Okay, so yesterday we were discussing about the angle of rotation, in which we have learned the complete rotation is 360 degree, the half turn is 180 degree, this is the complete rotation, and then we discussed about the quaternion rotation or the quaternion turn. Okay, so now we have to discuss about a new subtopic, that is order of rotation. So what is order of rotation? In a complete turn of 360 degree. So what is the sum of all the angles of a circle? That is 360 degree. The number of times an object looks exactly the same is called order of rotation. Okay. Now we have already learned that when we rotate a particular figure about different angles, so at some particular angles the figure look exactly the same. So the minimum angle, or the very first angle at which we get the similar picture, the similar shape or the similar figure is said to be the minimum angle. Okay, so it is the angle of rotational symmetry. The smallest angle, the very first angle at which we get the symmetry or the rotational symmetry is known as angle of rotational symmetry. So now how to find the angle of, with the angle of rotational symmetry, how we can find the order of rotation? So there is a formula. Order of rotation is equals to 360 degree upon a degree. For example, we have this rectangle, okay. So if I turn it by 90 degree, is it exactly the same? No. If I turn it by 180 degree, is it the same? Yes. So 180 degree is the very first angle at which this rectangle resembles the same shape as the previous one. So 180 degree is considered as the angle of rotational symmetry. Now in order to find out the order of rotation, 180 degree is considered as a degree here. Okay, so how to find the order of rotation? This is 360 degree by a degree. So 360 degree by 180 degree will give you 2. That means at 180 degree it will look exactly the same, and the other at 360 degree. So we have two particular angles at which the rectangle exactly looks similar as the previous one. So it has 2 order of rotation. Alright. Now further let us go with few more figures. State the order of rotational symmetry for the following figures. So this is the case of a square. Here we have a swastika and here we have a regular hexagon. Okay. Now we have to find the order of rotation for this. Now what is the key point you should understand? If any figure is in such a way that all its sides are equal, then there is no hard and fast rule in the calculation. Similarly, look at the number of sides which is equal, and that will be the order of rotation. Now, here we go. In the case of a square, all the 4 sides are equal. So, what will be the order of rotation? 4. In the case of the swastika, since the sides are not given, but can you see the leaflets which are originating from this black dot? 1, 2, 3, 4, and almost they all are same and all consist of a dot in that. Okay, so if I rotate it by 90 degree, 180 degree, 270, 360, at all the values of the angle, we will get exactly the same picture of the swastika. So here the order of rotation is 4. Now for this regular hexagon, since the name is there regular means the figure which has 6 equal sides. Now since the sides are equal and the leaflets emerging from all the 6 sides are also same, so what will be the order of rotation? 6. Okay. So here we have to find the order of rotation symmetry for each of the following figures. So here we have different figures and we have to find the order of rotation for this. Now here we have a triangle. Okay. So if I say this triangle is equilateral means 3 sides are equal. So what will be the order of rotation? 3. Okay. Now the second is this type of figure. So if I rotate it by 90 degree, will it be the same? No, because at 90 degree it will be something like this. Okay, it will be something like this. So it is not exactly the same at 90 degree. But if I rotate it again by 90 degree, that means total by 180 degree, we will get it. So 180 and 360 at these particular angles, we will get exactly the same figure. So here the order of rotation is 2. Look at this figure. Here, how many leaflets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they all are same. So, if I rotate it by 6 particular angles, we will get it same. So, order of rotation is 6. Now, look at this figure. This is of the square shape. A circle is there. Many 4 sub-squares are there, and almost the pictures which is in the sub-square is exactly the same. So, what will be the order of rotation for this? 4. Now look at this. Again, it is a circle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pentagon is there and consisting of all the 5 dices. So since this is same, this is similar, this has the equal sides. So here the order of rotation will be 5. For this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is octagon with all 8 sides equal. So here we have the order of rotation as 8. Look here, some star shapes are given. So if I close it, we get something like a triangle. So since they are same in shape, okay, so the order of rotation is 3. For this oval shape, if I turn it by 90 degree, it will be vertically oval. Okay, so that is not the similar figure. So either by 180 degree or by 360 degree. So here the order of rotation will be 2. Alright. Now, so this was about the order of rotation, how to find it, the order of rotation in different shapes. Now here the symmetry of various figures, this we have already discussed in our previous class, how to find the symmetry of different figures. Here we have equilateral triangles. Since 3 sides are equal, so order of rotation will be 3. 3 line of symmetry, okay, no point of symmetry. For a rectangle, 2 lines of symmetry, vertical and horizontal. Since the 2 sides are equal, opposite ones, so we have the order of rotation as 2. Okay. Now, for many more figures, okay, let us go with many more figures which is given. So these were the things which we have already discussed. So we have discussed about yeah. So now let us come to the semicircle. With the semicircle, we will have one vertical line of symmetry with no point of symmetry, and the order of rotation is none, because this semicircle doesn't possess any rotational symmetry. Yes, one more thing, if the figure is not having any rotational symmetry, then it will have no order of rotation. For this regular pentagon, since the name is there, regular pentagon, 5 equal sides, 5 line of symmetry, 5 order of rotation. Okay. Now, regular hexagon, 6 equal sides, 6 line of symmetry, and 6 order of rotation with no point of symmetry. Okay. So, angle with equal arms, these two arms are equal. So, the midpoint of the angle will be the line of symmetry. Okay. No point of symmetry, and will it have a rotational symmetry? No, it will not have any rotational symmetry, because this will be exactly the same only at 360 degree. Okay, and if a figure is not looking exactly the same more than one time, then we say it is not possessing a rotational symmetry. So here, since it is not having a rotational symmetry, so here the order of rotation is also 0. I hope much of the things regarding the order of rotation is clear to you. Kindly relate the video with the book content and try to understand the topic. Thank you.